This is probably the best way to work on your bowling release and increase your rev rate over time. The no step foul line drill. My favorite because it isolates the hand movement and filters out everything that we tend to worry about in our full approach. This is the time to work on the hand movement, and more importantly, this is time to work on getting our thumb out of the bowling ball first. We've got to prioritize getting our thumb out of the bowling ball first, or else we're going to have problems creating rev rate. And this relates back to the bowling release framework that I created, that I use to teach bowlers how to correctly release the bowling ball. And if you don't know what that is, allow me to quickly summarize. So when we break down the bowling release into its simplest form, there are two separate events that take place. Event one, thumb comes out of the bowling ball. Event two, middle finger and ring finger create rotation on the bowling ball, essentially the follow through. So when you are doing the when you're doing the no step foul line drill, the only thing you should be focusing on is getting your thumb out of the bowling ball. When you're coming down on that downswing, that's when you want to start to cup the bowling ball, and then that's when you event one. Event one has to happen every single time when you are trying to throw a hook bowling ball, your strike ball. But that must happen because event one leads to event two. We want event one to go as smoothly as possible. So to summarize it in one sentence, do the no step foul line drill and focus on getting your thumb out of the bowling ball, and you will naturally see an improvement with your release, and you will see an improvement with your rev rate over time.